Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable read receipts in Facebook Messenger. Without any further ado, let's get started. So there are actually two ways to control read receipts in Messenger. You can turn them off for a specific conversation, or you can disable them entirely across all your chats through your Messenger settings. Let's walk through both methods so you have complete control over your privacy. First, let's start by disabling read receipts for a specific conversation. This is useful if you want to keep read receipts on for most people but turn them off for certain chats. Go ahead and open Messenger and click on the conversation where you want to disable read receipts. Once you're in the conversation, look at the upper right corner of your screen and click the information icon. This icon gives you access to all the settings and options for that particular chat. After clicking the information icon, you'll see various options appear. Now scroll down through these options until you find read receipts. Once you locate it, click on Read Receipts to open the settings. Here you'll see a toggle button beside Show Read Receipts. Simply click this toggle to disable it. When this is turned off, the other person won't be able to see when you've read their messages in this specific conversation, giving you more privacy without affecting your other chats. Now let's go back to your main Messenger screen. This time we're going to disable read receipts globally across all your conversations. On the lower right corner of your screen, click the menu option. This opens up your general Messenger settings where you can control various features. From the menu that appears, click on Settings to access all the configuration options available. Inside Settings, look for and click on Privacy and Safety. This section contains all the privacy-related features that help you control who sees what in Messenger. Once you're in Privacy and Safety, you'll see the Read Receipts option. Click on it to open these settings. Just like before, you'll see a toggle button beside Show Read Receipts. Click this toggle to disable it. By turning this off, you're disabling read receipts for all your conversations at once, meaning no one will be able to see when you've read their messages. And that's it. You've now learned how to disable read receipts both for specific conversations and across all your chats in Messenger. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.